Hello guys, welcome to my channel. Today I'm gonna share to you how to make personalized Easter shirt for kids. I have Daddy's Funny Bunny for my 3-year-old and Mommy's Little Bunny for my 2-year-old. So I'm so excited to share this to you guys. So let's get started. So first we're gonna open the Silhouette Studio on the computer, and then we'll look for the design. So we already bought the design. It's available on the store. So it's already stored on the library. So it takes time to load. I'm looking for Daddy's Funny Bunny. Here it is. And then we could put it on the upper left side. And then we'll look for the other one, Mommy's Little Bunny. So what we just need to do is to make sure it's the right size or the right measurement for the shirt. So we just need to adjust. It's just all up to you, what size do you want. I mean, how big, how small you want it to be on the shirt. So if you want to make adjustment on the size, on the ears, or even the little details on the design, you could ungroup this this design. But what I'm gonna do here is just fill the colors, because I'm gonna be using two colors for vinyl, the material, the black and the pink. So I want to make sure all the colors are grouped accordingly, because I want to cut this design at once. So this is what it looks like. I grouped them according to the color of the vinyl that I'm gonna use. But then as you put it on the shirt, you gotta arrange them according to the design. So next is we need to flip the design horizontally, because we need to because when you are using the heat transfer vinyl, it is a must to do this or to do that way. So I already set up the bubblegum pink and black vinyl material in the mat. So we need to load this up in the machine, and then we're gonna check the screen, the computer screen, to send this to cut. So back on the computer screen, we put on the right material, which is the Easy Width Sizer. We're using the Easy Width Sizer or Caesar. Material is heat transfer smooth, and then cut, and then auto blade, and then we click send. So here I already arranged the design accordingly and then centered it on the shirt. So we just need to iron it, and here I'm using the Teflon sheet to, to protect the vinyl from heat. And here I, I set a timer about 15 seconds each because we are doing a little layering, so I want to make sure I did not put too much heat and damage the vinyl. So you can do it again over and over again as soon as the material sticks to the shirt. So here I'm putting the next layer, the funny bunny. So I set up about 15 seconds each layer. So that would be my standard. Yeah, something wrong with those ears. It won't stick. Okay. So voila. So next one is Mommy's Little Bunny. Same process, but this one is a little tricky because we're using um, a lot of little designs. So I'm gonna arrange them together. So I will just iron them at once as much as possible. Wait lang, baby, ha? Yung tatay went to work, baby? As always? Mommy will be quick here.
Can we see the Easter Bunny?
We're gonna see the Easter Bunny today. Remember? Almost done. Hmm? Look at that. Mommy's little bunny. So we are done with our project. I love the color combination. We are using the black and the bubblegum pink, and the design is just so nice. So thank you guys for watching. See you all on my next video. I hope you like this video.